In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create high quality backlink, just like I did, quickly. Make sure you stay tuned to learn more about it. Like always, guys, I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description, so make sure you check those out at the end of the video. And if you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel, and then go check out the Patreon page for all the extra stuff we have on there. But let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so this is gonna be my 3 killer ways and quick ways for you to get high quality backlink. Starting out at number 1, it's gonna be use forms. So basically when I use forms, I've been using Quora for about over 8 months right now, and I've been seeing a surge of traffic to my YouTube videos. And basically what you would do on these forms right here is that you would go to the form, you'll find questions that your content answers, or find answers and then use your and then create content to answer that, and then use that to link back to as a resource. So it's pretty simple from that standpoint. And then from there, there's tons of people on Quora or these other forums looking for answers for certain questions they have. And a lot of times these things come in search more than your content can if you haven't been doing it for a while or you haven't been doing it as well. So basically what I'll do right there, I will find a couple questions that my content answer that question inside basically with a video on Quora, since they're doing videos now, which you can talk about, or I would go through and then answer that question in text form in both of those. And then from there, I would tell them that at the end of it, if they want more help or they want to learn more about this topic right here, look at my videos or my blog posts or whatever I'm pushing at the time. Check that out, and then I have a link to that. And from there, and now help me start building backlinks. You do that enough right there, and as long as you don't spam me with it on Quora, Quora's pretty open with it, then you can get a lot of people to come back and give you a lot of traffic. Right now, I'm getting about basically almost 1,000 visits a month from there right now, just from Quora right there, and just doing just that simple strategy. I haven't posted almost, and I think it's been 6. I literally just started posting a couple weeks ago, something like that. And before that, I posted 6 months ago, and then most of the traffic comes from there. You can get a lot of traffic, a lot of people on there who need their questions answered. You can answer those, and you can get your content in front of their faces to people who actually want it, and not do it in a spammy way. So using forms right there, you can use forms like Yahoo Answers, another great platform to use. And to be honest though, if you have one piece of content, you could write the same thing I put on both of them and just tweak it to what exactly they want, because most times it might be the same exact answer. Also too, if you're doing more web development wise, Stack Overflow. If you're more marketing wise, you can go use Warrior Forms, which is the biggest marketing firm, digital marketing firm, they say. And then a whole bunch of lists. I'm gonna link down to a list down below too as well, of a whole bunch of different forms you can check out, so you guys can hit this traffic source right here and start killing it and get all these backlinks so you guys can push up your content. So the second one is something that you guys probably read a lot: link roundups. And I know you guys start saying like, what is link roundups? Link roundups is something that is really cool, and something as simple that a lot of people do in the industry. Basically in the industry, they'll have basically they'll put a post out and they'll link out to 20 or more posts, or other posts or cool things that have been happening in the industry, different content they have liked and enjoyed, different stuff they learned. They link out to those right there. And then basically what you can do right there is that you'll find a couple of them, or as many as you possibly can in your industry, and then send them your next, ask them, can you send them the next post, and if they like it, could they feature it and put it inside your link roundup. And basically if they like it, then they'll put it in there. If they don't, then they won't. And a lot of times just sending something simple as that will get them to actually start converting and getting them to actually start putting your links up there. It's pretty simple, since they're putting links up anyway. A lot of times they have to find content they do like and stuff like that. So it's kind of, they're open, it's kind of a two-way streak, and really helps build the relationship between each other too as well. Because then as well, you do that one person see that on there, then they might read that and then put it on their link roundup, and they might just build and build and build and build and build until you're on everyone's link roundup in your industry every time you post. And also too, you bring awareness to your blog or your videos or whatever you're putting out to them, because they might not ever have read your blog posts. They might never watched any YouTube videos, watched any of your videos you put out, or your podcast. They might not have seen any of the stuff at all. But now, since you offer, to help them with their solution with the link roundup, because they have to put out some type of links, then you can provide that value to them if you're good enough, or if they like you. And then right there, you can build a new connection. And you do that with every single person, because then also too, not just the whole thing about getting the backlinks, you also get the traffic from them actually putting it out there too as well. And because they might, a lot of people might like it, and that can help you push yourself to get more traffic. It's a building effect. It's kind of how they say success breeds more success. Well, backlinks breed more backlinks, because anywhere where you have backlinks at, you should be getting some type of traffic from there, which is helping you get more people to backlink to your content. It's a whole spider web effect. Tip number 3, this is something most people don't even think about. Try out a new medium. Change your content. If you did it and you filmed the video, next thing you do is take that and put it in written form. Take that and put it as a podcast. And then, or take that and do a mixture of the two and do like a Facebook thing where you have the words come up and you talking over it in different types of video. Just reuse the new medium that you have to build more backlinks and use that, and then link back to the original piece of work that you're trying to push as much as possible. And then specifically, if you take that work and you make smaller copies of it, different copies, you can post those on Facebook natively, then link back to it. And not so much understand when people just post their content straight on Facebook, but you can link back to it and give them something for the platform. Because one thing with all these platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any platform out there, is that you can't disrespect the platform by not creating content specifically for the platform. So this allows you to create Medium specifically for the platform. And even you can even use Medium if you're using YouTube. Well, take your YouTube video, put in your Medium post, write a little bit about it, and then right there you have another backlink pushing to you. And also too, Medium, if you do good enough and they're out there pushing people anyway, they'll help you grow and get seen by more people. You do the same thing with Quora. Quora has a blogging system too as well. You can use that to really help you push yourself out there and push more. Something just being very underused. Some people are doing a lot, some people are doing well. It does take a little bit more time. Basically taking one piece of content and making it into 5 or 6 pieces of content is more efficient than creating all that all at once at one time. But you can have your YouTube video, slice that down, take out any fluff at all, and just get straight to each the step of what each step is, and put it down to less than a minute for the Instagram. Do the same thing, maybe do Facebook, and you do more of basically take one step and you just dive deep into it, and maybe in a less formal way. Then you can do that right there. Then you can Medium, where you can do a whole 2,000 word post over each one of the topics, explaining even more than you did in the video. You can do that right there. Or you can go through on LinkedIn and you can create a whole bunch of graphics on there, and and do infographics and show people that way. It's a lot of different ways you can really reuse your content, change the medium up. Different people like different mediums, and you can then take all that stuff right there, create a podcast over it, and then right there you have 6 or 7 different mediums from one piece of content that you created. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then while you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you can join the notification squad. I would really like to see you hit these videos a lot more. I'm trying to put a lot more videos out this year right here. I'm trying to roll out a lot more videos for you guys to really just help you build as much content. And a lot of my videos right now are evergreen, so a lot of you guys might be searching for this video. Basically comment down below, let me know, what you guys are working on, and there's like any way possible that, like I can help you to really succeed. I'll do everything I possibly can. And also too as well, like comment down below, like which one of these tips right here of getting backlinks you guys love and that you guys are gonna use. I would love to know that too as well, so I can make more videos over it to help you more in depth and all that stuff right there. And if you if you're doing all that stuff right there, and you want to support more, or you want more from me right there, go on and look at my Patreon page, look at the different support tiers I have on there. I have tons of support tiers on there that really can help you guys build out your business with consulting. Going through and doing, I have a lot of courses I'm releasing each month that you can get. You can be part of the free team, where you get those courses for free by supporting or being part of the videos being at the very end and getting a thank you for that right there too as well. You can get a whole bunch of stuff. I just love to help you support. I'm trying to provide as much value as possible so I can create more videos for you guys. So I want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go and like this right here, comment down below, share this with a friend, subscribe, and I'm Xavier Kelly, and I'll see you in the next one.